Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be making a dessert known as Mango Sago Pomelo or杨枝甘露. So let's start cooking. We're going to prepare our sugar syrup first. I have with me over here 15 grams of cane sugar or 1 1/4 of a tablespoon. Add in 120 milliliters of hot water. Melt them up and leave them aside to cool down before we proceed for the next step. Meanwhile, let's go ahead and boil our sago. We're going to cook our sago pearls now. Boil a pot of water. I have with me over here 1 liter of water boiling. Add in 60 grams of sago pearl. Make sure that the water is constantly boiling. You can use medium to medium high heat, no problem. Occasionally we'll stir this. This will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Stir it occasionally so that the pearls don't stick to the pot and it will not burn. We need to boil this until the pearls are no longer white in color. I'll show you how it looks like in a while. As you can see, the sago are transparent or translucent now. That means they are cooked. We'll turn off the flame now and rinse this through a very fine sieve to get rid of the excess starch. So just pour it through a very fine sieve. And then we'll wash this several times. Want to get rid of the excess starch. Okay, just keep doing it until the water runs clear. Using my blender, we'll proceed to blend our dessert. If you don't have a blender, you can always use a fruit processor. Add in 1 whole mango, only the flesh. Put it in. This is how my mango looks like, palm size. If you have something slightly bigger, no problem. If it's slightly smaller, just add a little bit more. Put in also 150 milliliters of evaporated milk. And also add in the sugar syrup that we have made just now. Put the cover on and we'll proceed to blend them together. Now that this is done, we'll add in our sago. Just pour in your sago and give it a good stir to mix them up well. After this, we'll chill this in the fridge before we serve this. I will show you how we serve this later. Our dessert is chilled now. We just pour them into our serving bowl, like this. Not too full, 3/4 will be fine. Add in a few pieces of cubed mangoes. We'll also add in some pomelo flesh. And the dessert is ready to be served. And now the dessert is done, let's have a taste. Very rich mango taste, absolutely good. Perfect for a hot day like this. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.